Koper is one of Slovenia's oldest medieval fortified towns, and it was formerly a small island in the Gulf of Trieste. Cruise ships dock incredibly close to the town centre, and it's only a 400-metre walk from the ship to the heart of the town itself. A glass lift is provided too, and it raises you up to the old town level from the cruise dock. The Tourist Information Office at the cruise dock also provides free town maps and a sheet of useful Slovenian phrases. It's a pleasant short walk into the town centre and Tito Square. Here is the magnificent Praetorian Palace and the Loggia building housing Slovenia's oldest cafe. There is also the resplendent 54-metre high bell tower which can be climbed for €5 per person. It's over 200 steps though, with display boards about the town's history encouraging you to stop and rest as you climb. Beware that the loud bells chime every 15 minutes. The tower dates from the 13th century and provides splendid views across the town and surrounding areas. The medieval town centre also provides a network of pretty narrow streets filled with courtyard shops, bars and cafes. And at the bottom of the town is the Ponte Fountain, which dates from 1666 and was the main water supply for the town, drawing water from a nearby underwater spring. And nearby is the Muda Gate, which is the only preserved original city gate still standing, and it was built in 1516. Next to it is a short section of the original city walls too. There are several splendid churches in the town to explore, but the Cathedral of the Assumption of the Blessed Mary is especially beautiful. It's a short walk from the medieval town to the waterfront and harbour area, which is located in more modern areas of the town. Here there are markets, restaurants, bars and cafes. And it's a pleasant walk along the waterfront past the covered marketplace, soon arriving at a small beach area. This small, stony but netted beach allows safe swimming in the warm waters of the Adriatic. It's popular with locals and great to chill and paddle in. Winding your way back into the town centre, you pass several courtyards with bars and cafes to tempt you in. So coming to this is highly recommended, and the beer and the ambience was absolutely superb. And you can drink and eat knowing that it's only a short stroll back to your ship. Koper is a beautiful place that is perfect for those who just want to mooch and explore. It's not big, but there's enough to see and do to fill a day ashore. We'd never heard of this place before our cruise, and it's a beautiful hidden gem. Thank you, Koper. Our eyes are open to the beauty and charm of Slovenia.